design in with a base. Gonna stick to what I know
There we
for
go.
now. So I'm gonna go ahead and hide all of the regular blocks. I
Got the new. Like. Got
back.
the
9, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I need to do that. Yeah, here we go. What I want to do is invert. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. You see, changing the color of the gradient of the
Oh, wait.
set
Oh, it's.
insert the line.
Back to me.
So they have 5, so it's all separate. Else, build helper. Here, if I can say another set. Great. I'll make a picture. What I'm thinking of, I know Pinwheel is so outdated at this point, so I do the exact same process with automatically assigning everything to new groups, so I don't have to remake everything. I just work to edit it around. Maybe it might just be better to do like now the whole lot. Better to go with this subtle color scheme, which makes it a lot good for the background.
Wait, that are all. Like this. Oh, okay. What? Yeah, it's.
Which just rotates fine.
Dude, what like. It was. I was really just not over playing. Yeah, yes.